Steering wheel spins itself like it is practicing for Dancing with the Stars. Customer claims tires or flip-top convertibles, mystery deepens. Rear looks flat, please investigate possible tire identity crisis. Brakes work only in imagination, chassis plays free jazz maracas. Caliper fell off, customer tied it to floor pan with shoelace, Mac Jiver certified. Ride feels like mechanical rodeo, mechanical bull included. Tire wobbles like hula-hoop on espresso, customer confused. Front end karaoke tire refuses to follow choreography. Steering feels like stirring cold oatmeal with wet noodle. Customer says, little rusty, can you make it new again? Optimism unlocked. Car plays dead, starter motor on strike. I thought horn was car angriest noise, I was wrong. Reality hits harder. Please do not bedazzle your steering wheel, it doubles as Claymore mine. Airbag pops, rhinestones become shrapnel-free, facial makeover not recommended.